my god. Holy, that was a perfect 10 if you made that one. Oh, man, there's only one dude over there.
It's all yours.
I can't believe we just walked up on that thing. Oh my god, that is a good one. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at the cylinders, wave, 2 cylinders. Oh my. Oh no. Wow. That was every peak. There's 3 peaks right there. Main peak, middle peak, cylinders. It's fire.
Pick your peak.
Pick your peak. Look at another cylinders wave. I think I'm gonna try that.
Cylinders?
To start.
Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look who it is. What's up? How are you?
Oh, you might want to clean your lens.
You just did. Oh, so close. Oh. He sees the set coming. He can sniff it out. Oh, he's right. Wow, this is a crazy set. Yeah, Blair, yeah, Blair. Oh my. Oh. Yeah.
Anybody else out there?
Tanner and Craig, and I don't know who else. Maybe I should go over there, I guess. Oh my gosh. Was that such such a good wave. Dogs on dogs on dogs. Look at that one. I like that little black guy. He's really cute. Woo! Hi, buddy. What's going on? Oh! Got exploded at the last second.
Oh, he's trying to do a spinner in the barrel. I have a friend. There he goes. He's coming out.
I got too like stoked to be in there. I didn't do anything, and then I just caught me.
I thought for a second you were coming out of there.
I should have. It's kind of hard to get like up and under it with this thing. You gotta just point it and go. And
Also, it's like backwashing at the last second, it seems like.
Yeah, that thing had a little chandelier at the end. But man, the visions are good.
Yeah, I bet.
Visions are nice. Some good barrels. It's about Great Mexican Clock.
Great Mexican Clock. Tommy's here too with the puppy.
Oh,
It's
no way.
so cute.
Get some pup clips?
I got some pup clips.
Out here too?
I think so.
I think we get like one more, bro.
One more. Make it count, buddy. Make it count. No more bogging. I hit his board earlier so hard. I was in the barrel just driving and I didn't even see it. And thing smacked me in the head like in the barrel.
Oh. All right, well, let's end on a good one. Wow. It really is a dog day. Ah. Spin it to win it. Ooh. Oh no. 10 o'clock. Black ball is up. Ah! No. There's no way he ends on that. Oh my gosh.
Of course, I start going left when I tell you I'm going to go right. So
I know, every time I switch, you go the opposite direction.
I only got like one or two good lefts today, and the rest are all really fun rides.
Yeah.
But, man, they're just waves everywhere in every direction. It's so not your typical wedge. It's awesome.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, you can literally sit anywhere along this stretch and like get the wave of your life.
Totally.
It's pretty chill. I think I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead.
Yeah?
Go hang out with Tommy D and his new puppy. Oh, that was sick. Whoa, that was nuts. That guy's doing turns on a barrel. Whoa, that little inside there? You guys just getting back from Palm Springs?
Yeah, nice. Big day yesterday.
Full of this major and
Big time. Saw that.
your voice sounds a little raspy.
Yeah.
Well, I kind of did. I don't really like this audio.
That perfect little veer off to avoid your board.
I didn't even notice that. I'm blocking the beach cleanup process.